Kelas 12 Science 3.
SMA Negeri 1 Campalagian.
In this video, we will make a video about
How to make bread Oreos.
to complete the English segment. But before that, let us introduce ourselves. I am Sasabila Ramadana.
I am Nur Andita.
I am Ray.
I am Pandi.
First, prepare tools and material. The main ingredient is Oreo. As for the additional ingredients are breadcrumbs, sweetened condensed milk, vanilla and chocolate with flour and cooking oil.
Unpack the Oreos. Pour the flour. Second, mix the flour and enough water in a bowl. When the flour mixture is finished, dip the Oreos into the flour mixture and dip again into the breadcrumbs. Further, a skillet for frying them, enough cooking oil. Further, a frying pan for frying. Then, when the oil is hot, add the Oreos that have been coated with the dough. Fry until brown. Leave in dry.
For the presentation stack, arrange the fried Oreo in a container. Then topping with chocolate milk, and here, this is fried Oreo in chocolate sauce. Enjoy and thank you!